Hey guys, welcome back to our repair guys. In today's video guys, we're going to go ahead and show you how to remove or replace front door on Ford Edge or Lincoln MKX. As you know, both of the vehicles share the same platform. The door is actually interchangeable. You can fit one from Escape on Lincoln. Of course, depending on the year, so double check that. So that's what we'll be doing today. We need to replace that door because it was damaged here. Very minor accident here, but we'll just put a new door. So, as you can see, that Lincoln, it's pretty much a Ford Edge. Everything suspension wise, drivetrain, everything's the same engine, just the interior and the outside is a little bit different. Now, in order to remove that door guys, okay, first thing I'll recommend is to disconnect your car battery. Okay, when you do that, at least wait 20 to 30 minutes after you disconnect it. We'll have the video on the channel, so check it out. Now, you can see, right here on the bottom, we need to get a Torx 40. All the parts and tools that we use will be listed in the description below, so check out the description guys. Also, we'll have more than 200 videos on Lincoln MKX, and most of them will work on Ford Edge as well. Okay, so we got this one loose. Now we need to get a 12mm wrench right here, like this one, and I'm going to go ahead and remove, that's the hinge right there. Let me turn the light on. Okay, perfect. And I'm going to go ahead and get this one loose. Okay, this one is extremely tight. Okay, perfect. This one got loose. Now we have the one on this side. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll just remove the top bolt now. Okay, all the way. And after that, we'll leave the bottom bolt so we can hold the door. Okay, you can see it's coming out. Okay, still a little bit tight there. Okay, perfect. You can see there it's a little bit of dust and mud stuck in it. Now we have the same thing on top. Okay, right here they have the same hinge. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead, trying to see how I can fit the camera to show you where it is. Okay, to remove, I'll get both of them loose and I'll remove the bottom one and leave the top one because it's easier to work with. Okay, you have to be extremely careful not to pinch your fingers here. Okay. This one is out. Now put a bucket underneath it, okay? Check out how we have the bucket here, so we can hold the door and it's not going to drop. I'm going to see if I can disconnect the wiring harness before I actually proceed. So let me see if I can do that. And you have to be extremely careful because you can pinch your fingers here. Okay, now towards the back, okay, you can see that gray piece needs to go up. So here you need to press in. Okay, and at the same time, okay, let's one person hold the camera. Okay, at the same time I need to slide the thing up. Okay, let's see if I can press it all the way in, or we're going to do that when we remove the door, so we have a little bit more room. Now I'll go ahead, remove the bottom one now, the bottom bolt. One person needs to hold the door really good. Okay. You can see it's almost out all the way now. Perfect. Now I need to do the top one. That thing can smash your fingers, so again be careful here. And it's important for the door not to drop when you do that, because we need to disconnect the wiring harness now. Okay, it's gonna fall in a little bit. Okay, so if we can lift it up a little bit to go a little bit easier maybe. Okay, this bolt came out. Now we can pull it a little bit to the side. Careful with your fender, that's the piece that we need to press in really good. And after that we need to disconnect the wiring harness. Okay, press in here, slide up. Okay, it's going to kick the wires out. And the door will come out like that, guys. So you can see that's how you remove it. Replacing the door, installing it in reverse order, we took it apart. So hopefully the video will be helpful to you guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.